Alright, we are back to this now, so let's kind of see how you did. And again, if you messed something up or something happened or something went wrong, it's not the end of the world. You just have to take it on yourself and be responsible enough to figure out what did I do wrong or what did I need to do here. So let's try this out here. Okay, in this problem, the flu shots. In 2005, 600 million flu shots were given. In 2011, we got more, 84 million flu shots. What is the percent that we increased in the flu shots from 2005 to 2011? So first thing is on the bottom we need what was the number before we increased? And the number before we increased was 60 million. That's the number before we increased. On the top, I need how much did we increase by? How much did it go up by? So from 60 to 84, I believe, would be 24. That would be a 24 million increase. If you couldn't do that in your head, you could just do 84 minus 60. That's a 24 increase. Now we've got our problem set up. We've got the starting amount here before the increase, and then on the top, I've got the amount that it actually did increase. Now we just need to do the problem. 24 divided by 60. So if I did that, 24 divided 60, looks like I get 0.4. Remember, 0.4 is not 4%. That would be 0.4. 0.4 is the same thing as 0.40, which is going to be 40%. So we would say that from 2005 to 2011, the amount of flu shots used increased by 40%. Now when we come down here to winter snowfall totals in Iowa, in 2011, 92 inches of snow, or 2010, excuse me. Last year we had a lot less snow than the year before. We only had 42 inches of snow. So I need to know what's the percent of the decrease. Okay? So the percent of the decrease. First I need to start off with what was my total amount before the decrease. What did I have before the decrease? Well, before the decrease it was 92 inches of snow, because we went from here and then we dropped it down to 42 inches, so that's the decrease. This is what was before the decrease, which needs to go on the bottom. On the top, I need to put what the decrease actually was. Okay? So from 92 down to 42, I know is 50. But if you didn't know that, you could just do 92 minus 42, and you would get 50. So here is my problem, and this is what I'm going to use to find my percent decrease. I'm going to have 50 divided by 92. Okay, so if I did that in a calculator, I don't think this one's going to come out nice and round like the other ones have here. But on my calculator, I'm going to get 0.543478. But for this percentage, we really only need this part of it. So we could say 54% would be an acceptable answer here. You could say 54.3%. That would be an acceptable answer here. One of those two would probably be what we're looking for. Alright, again, I don't think this is too difficult. It's not something that, I mean, it is something that we've done before. We've set them up like this. You just have to think about which parts go where. The bottom needs to be what happens before the increase or decrease. The top needs to be the actual increase or decrease. So if you have further questions, please make sure that you let me know, and we'll try to get these things figured out.